Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Not so much the color, but the shape is a little bit, it's really easy to do, but you just got to really think about it. Let's take an ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to take a 2-point line and hit P, and I'm going to cut away half the ellipse because I want 2 halves. Now I'm going to Control D and duplicate that guy, holding down the control button with the 2-sided arrow. Now I'm going to take this one and Control D, double click on it and rotate it from that node. And I'm going to rotate it 300 degrees, which is a -60. Now I'm going to take this one, Control D, double click. I didn't have to control it because I don't want that bottom shape anyway. But this time I'm going to rotate that guy 60. And then I'm going to take away this shape. And there's our shape. Now we can select, let's select all of it. And normally this is closed 2 nodes is highlighted. I don't know what's going on. So we're just going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Join Curves. And we're going to hit apply and see it's taking those 2 arrows and turning them into that right there. Now we're going to take this and we're going to make it 36 points or 50 points or whatever you want. And that's all you have to do to get that shape. Let's make a duplicate of it and let's play with it a little bit. Let's convert the outline to an object. And then we're going to left click, right click. And this is where, this is a line. This is going to be a fill. So with this fill, I can move it. With this fill, I'm going to make it red. With this fill now, I can go up to the interactive fill tool and swipe across. Go ahead and go elliptical, but then pick right here a pattern. I'm going to pick this one this time. Look at that. Let's bring in a black box effect. Well, let's pull this over here. Put it next to that one. So the video isn't about the fill, it's about the shape, how to make that shape. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.